Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wukong token on ETH. Now, name of the token is Wukong, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now, this token just got a very big central exchange listing today. This is a very popular meme today, I noticed, because of a recent tweet from Elon Musk. And we're going to go over the information on this token because it just got a huge central exchange listing. So we're going to go over the info on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So first of all, there's been other Wukong tokens out in the past. There's been some very popular ones on the Tron blockchain. There's one called Wukong, and there's one called Sun Wukong, named after Justin Sun. Those have been trending like for weeks. If you look at the Tron section, say on Dex Screener or Dex Tools, most likely in the top spot, or at least the top 5, you're going to find some sort of Wukong token. And this token also, the one on Ethereum here, has been around 11 days on Uniswap. The pair was created, I believe, 11 days ago. Yeah, it says the last month, the 26th, it was created on Uniswap. But just, I think, 5 hours ago, there was a tweet from Elon Musk that said, new AI-generated picture, and there is a picture of the Wukong character with Elon Musk's face, and I think it says Chinese AI-generated image. So after Elon Musk tweeted that out, then this page here, the Wukong page, changed their profile picture on their Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here, to the picture that Elon Musk tweeted out. So, and then there's also another token that I'm going to be posting today as well, based off a recent Elon Musk tweet from 5 hours ago. The DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency. And stay tuned for that. That's a big announcement from Trump. And there's a new token based off that already, too, as well. So tons of, I'm trying to find this tweet here, but Elon Musk tweets so much. It's ridiculous here. I can't even find the tweet. But anyways, he changed his, oh, there it is right there. So it says, impressive AAA game from China. Seems oddly familiar. And it says Black Myth Wukong, and it's got a picture of Elon Musk's face. So that was 14 hours ago. And then the department one is 5 hours ago. So it was just announced after Elon Musk tweeted this out. You can see the profile picture right here. There's a new listing for this Wukong Ethereum token starting today, September 7th, sorry, at 10 a.m. UTC time. The Wukong on ETH token will be listed now on MEXC Global because of this Elon tweet here, playing off the hype. So if you're looking to get this Wukong token, it just got listed today on MEXC, and if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Wukong, and then simply just buy the token. So it is available now on MEXC Global. So their Twitter here is at Wukong ETH coin. And then you can see it also, they put Black Myth Wukong on ETH, and that's the game that Elon Musk posted 14 hours ago. So pretty funny. And it says here, they have 4,572 Twitter followers. Their contract address and chart are in the pinned tweet along with the retweet from Elon Musk's tweet. I should have just looked on this Twitter here, but they just retweeted it out, and you can see it on this Twitter, the tweet that I'm talking about. So they also have here, they have the Elon Musk picture. They changed it to laser eyes. So you can find this token on Etherscan. They have 2,660 holders already. They have a $2.29 million market cap, $531,000 in liquidity in Uniswap. And according to DEX Tools, the liquidity is locked for 3 months. And they also have here 1 billion total token supply. That is also their circulating supply. Now they have a 24-hour trading volume of $14 million today, and that is most likely because of this Elon Musk tweet here. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. There is 0% buy and sell taxes on this token when getting it off of a DEX. There is going to be gas fees though, so be aware of that. And they have a Quick Intel, Go Plus, and Honeypot security audit. None of them have any warnings on it. All good check marks there. 9 decimal places on this token. If you want to follow the Telegram, it is at Wukong ETH coin. 5,023 members, 1,116 of them are online. It says on their webpage, WukongETHcoin.com, in the vast universe of blockchain, a shining star is rising, which perfectly combines ancient wisdom with modern technology. This is the Wukong token, born from a stone possessing supernatural abilities. Wukong is known for his rebellious nature, incredible strength, and mastery of the 72 transformations, and now he will land on Ethereum. On their webpage, they have DEX Tools chart, Twitter, Telegram. You can also find this token on DEX Screener. And yeah, they have here, it is in the assessment zone on MEXC Global. They didn't have a Kickstarter event for this token. Usually they have a Kickstarter event on MEXC Global before they list the tokens. But this one was just impromptu because of this Elon Musk tweet. So they just listed it right away on MEXC Global to give it more eyeballs, because there's like 10 million plus users on MEXC. So that's going to give it a lot of people looking at this token here. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And make sure you check out that DOGE token that I'm going to be posting today too, based off an Elon Musk tweet and a Trump announcement. That token may take off, or there might be another one that's based off the same tweet that may take off, because there's a lot of tokens that have similar names. But anyways, check out my DOGE token video, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.